So today we're gonna learn about the suspension of YouTube channel. So whenever you try to access your YouTube account, it will say that this action isn't allowed. So what does that mean? So the reason behind that is the suspension of YouTube channel. YouTube suspends your account due to copyright infringement and complaints about graphic content, hate speech, violating YouTube's community guidelines. So these are some basic and major reasons behind the suspension of YouTube channel. Anyways, in today's video we're gonna learn about how to fix that. So the only way to fix this is to contact with YouTube. So for that, go to your desktop and then click on your profile icon. So from here, scroll down and click on help. Once you're there, this menu will be popped up. Now you have to again scroll down at the very bottom and click on ask the help community. So you have to now put your question, which is this action isn't allowed, obviously. And now we have to detail our problem, like we have to add a description. My channel is suspended, or you can either write this description just according to yourself, or you can copy it from here. Anyways, please help me to recover it, and after that you have to select a category. So for that, again scroll down and select a category like my YouTube account and click on next. And after that, click on account recovery and again click on next step. Alright, so now you have to choose a platform, which is web, and choose I am a creator. Now you have to solve the captcha and just post it away. So when YouTube get your post, they will notify you through an email address, and most probably your account will be recovered. So all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.